So this is the day one for making NIETOS coat, this long coat that has lining and all these fancy details. I'm starting today with tracing the pattern and cutting the different fabrics. So I'm cutting the main fabric and the lining and the padding, and I think that's quite something already for the first day. So that's my plan for today. So here I have the latest issue, the TAUKO magazine, and what I'm gonna be starting to make today is the NIETOS coat here, the fully lined version. First of all, I have checked my size, so I'm making the size number 2 with roughly 20 centimeter ease around the hip. So that's the first thing that I've checked. And then I have the patterns here on the back, which I'm gonna trace. So first thing I'm doing is to highlight the pattern pieces on each pattern sheet with the marker. So I'm gonna do this with all the different pattern sheets, and while I'm doing this, there's some lunch being prepared. And then after I trace the pattern pieces, I'm gonna copy them onto the pattern paper. It is time for lunch. Very important part. Eating, bon appetit. So now I have all my pattern pieces cut, and then I'm gonna get my fabric and start cutting the fabric. So look at this. This is my gorgeous main fabric. It is 100% organic cotton, and it even has this kind of water repellent surface. I can't see much of a difference between the two different sides of fabric, so I decided not to mind so much about that. So I will cut all the pattern pieces from this fabric and also from my gorgeous batting. And this is wool, and it has a little bit of polyester in it as well. Look, it looks really, really great. So this here is the lining, so I'm gonna just fold it away for now. So I will be finishing up this still, cutting all the rest of the pattern pieces today. I'm gonna take this little, not so little one, for a little walk. And then I'm gonna come and finish the rest of the cutting and continue another day. But this was the first day. I think that's quite a bit to do already, to kind of do the patterns and cut the fabric, all of the fabric, and then that's already quite far for what you need to do for creating. So I'm very happy that I managed to do all that on a very lazy weekend day.